Dolly and Friends!
What isn't yours? If you want it so, you should ask the owner first.
Hey, hey, look at me. I'm the brightest beauty here. I'm better than him, but nobody looks at me.
Oh no, don't you cry. You are both so nice and kind. Don't be jealous, kid. It will only make you sad. is caught and ashamed, the police will deal with him.
I'm the rocket!
Yeah! We are the Rockets!
Don't ride on your boards here. It's a bike track.
No, it's for skates too!
Yeah, but we came here first.
No, we came here first.
Go find another place.
No, you go find another place.
Fight! Fight!
What if we made a competition?
Huh?
I mean, race around the park. The winner will stay, loser will go.
Okay, if Tommy is not a chicken.
I've never been a chicken. Let's start right now.
Dolly, Tommy, come on, it's time to go home.
Just a minute, Mom.
No more minutes. Come here now.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Sure. Tomorrow, I'll become the winner. I'm gonna eat all the vegetables to be in perfect shape.
Hey!
Mom, can I have more vegetables?
I want them too.
Augusto, hello? Can you hear me? Roger.
Hi, Tommy. I hear you, Roger.
See you in the park in 30 minutes. Roger.
Got it. Roger. What took you so long?
Too much vegetables. Come on, let's go.
Ready? Go!
Right. You need to warm up before the race. Hey, what are they doing here?
Not good enough. Try again.
Warming up.
Tommy, even toy cars go faster.
This might be a very fast toy car.
Yeah, I tweaked the engine a bit.
Tweaked? So, what if we tweak my skate too?
But it's not fair.
Fair? Fair, you said? Is it fair to kick us out of the park? Come on, let's go. Enough of this games.
Tricksters! Okay, we'll tweak something too. Come on, let's go!
Wow, cool stuff!
Don't touch anything. Let's start.
Oh, I know. Let's take a shortcut. Now, everyone will see. Oh! Let's build wings and a rocket engine for your bike. Do you know how to build rocket engines? No.
Ready?
Ready!
We need to tweak the speed mode a bit.
No time for this. I need to go home and have a good sleep before the race. See you in the park.
Any other ideas? No. Oh, wait! Yes! My parents have a super fast sport bike in the garage. Let's go! Ta-da! Panda, it's a tandem. Guys will say that it's not fair. Fair? That tricksters do not deserve a fair battle.
Hey, it's a tandem. It's not fair.
Fair? Let me check out your skate, maybe. Huh? Ready, go!
questions. Are you all right? And are you crazy?
It was just a little competition.
Hey, keep working.
Come on, jump!
No, slow down.
Jump now! Aww. Okay, now it's my turn.
No, mine.
You lose. It's mine.
Panda, you lost. Give Tommy the phone.
I see. You're having fun here.
No, Panda doesn't want to share the phone.
Because it's mine.
No, mine.
Enough. What if I give you something you can play all together?
Thanks, but...
That was creepy. And this looks creepy too.
Anyway, it's all that we have now. The batteries run out. Okay, we have a game field, some action figures, and a strange plastic castle? Flock, I think? Who will read the rules? I will. Okay. Hey, why are you first again? The rules say that the middle player goes first.
Hey, why did you move your figure that far?
The rules say that if you rolled a 2, you're moving for 10 steps forward.
No, you're cheating again. Give me the book.
Happy now? Look what you've done! It's all Tommy's fault. Give me the rules.
Great, now we've lost the rule book.
Calm down. If we want to get out, we should stick. I see the way. Together.
How do you know that's the right way?
Because it's the short way. I'm first.
I don't like it here. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Panda! Where is Panda? Boo! Panda! It's not funny!
Oh, you should have seen your faces.
Well, Panda, wanna go first again?
No, Tommy will be first.
See? A piece of cake.
I almost died there.
Stop crying, Tommy. I think we are almost done. Kinda safe.
What's glittering there?
Looks like the final prize. I'm first. Panda,
Panda! Watch out! We did it! Wait! What's this? We need one more heavy thing.
No, no! Don't look at my cup like that!
Panda, we have to leave something on the 4th button.
Let's leave Tommy.
Huh? Panda?
Brush them well, brush every day.